Culture that doesn't change is doomed to die. We can't come here, perform our kava and ignore the fact we're on Māori land. We must change with the times, change with the environment that we're in. We're no longer in Tonga. The kava in Tonga, great, do that in Tonga. Samoa, do your kava in Samoa. We're here in Aotearoa.
Tikanga evolves, and that's beautiful, and it's important too to ensure that our culture survives.
Kava Aotearoa is a unique pan-Polynesian kava ceremony crafted here in Aotearoa, specifically for Aotearoa. And we are wanting to gift this to our tangata whenua in honour of their ancestors who came from the moana.
I think it's beautiful that this cultural practice can recognise that connection. I feel this nervousness, but also this need to adapt with the times.
This is a full evolution of the kava Aotearoa that will be performed here at Ihumatao. It involves elements of the Tongan kava, the Samoan and the Fijian kava ceremonies. We've got tula whale who stand with their talking sticks, the to'oto'o, and their fue, and we've incorporated the libation, which is a short speech, and then to spill a little bit from the cup as a honour to the lands that we're on as well. The tūro is a particular unique thing for the kava Aotearoa, to tūro our olowaha or our taumua into the circle, and the tūro is unique to the Cook Islands and Tahiti. Through the imbibing of the sacred kava root is a way to show your connection to a land or a place, and also gives that place honour by the drinking of kava and sharing it.
Ko au ko te whenua ko au. That means that I am the land and the land is me. When we come to our whenua, we're reminded that our tupuna once lived and thrived on this land. When we connect to it, we feel that connection to our tupuna and our ancestors who have gone on, and to our culture, and to our tikanga and kawa, our cultural practices.
You can't help but feel reverence, also pride, because you realise that you are drinking a part of your whenua, and we drink it, we imbibe our land, and that's what binds us together in the kava circle.
Kava Aotearoa is a new context, a new place, also a space where women are recognised in a different way. Women are not expected to have such a prominent, amplified, powerful voice. The opportunity to talk about the challenges in this community, in our community, and in a place where people share that whakapapa of pain, of injustice, but also very much talking with people who have a spirit and aspirations to change and to forge something new.
Indigenous knowledge is so important. It informs the way that we can live, taking from that kete of knowledge, mixing it with our kete of knowledge, living in this kind of Western world.
We've done 3 Kava Aotearoa ceremonies, and each time we've honoured different mana whenua.
Yeah, I think it's a challenge to traditionalists too, because, you know, we are living in an evolving, forever changing world, and we need to evolve our practices along with that.
It's also a ceremony for people who want to be inclusive, want to practice their cultural beliefs and protocols in a space where others can witness the old, the new, the innovative, but it's that sense of being all together.
Nothing good comes without struggle, and that's the story of Kava, you know. Kava's about sacrifice. There's no easy route to anything.
And it's a new concept for Māori too, like to be honoured or to be involved in a ceremony that's very Pacific and very visible for them. It's not at the back, it is right there in the front. So I can't imagine how that must feel. And that's a new conversation.
I really do commend the work that Kava Aotearoa are doing in terms of creating new tikanga around the Kava ceremony as it would pertain to Aotearoa. I feel inspired, at least, to want to reclaim those practices. And so I see this evolution of this tikanga as a way to appeal to those who are disconnected. We are the people who have continued to keep the fires burning here and will continue for our future generations.